If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture where we are solving previous year JEE Main questions on permutation combination. So in this lecture we will be solving from question number 11 to question number 16. Okay, then let's try to solve this question. Now if you come to 11, let A and B are two sets containing 2 elements and 4 elements respectively. The number of subsets of A cross B having 3 or more elements. So it is NA is given 4 and B is given 3. So I think if you know set, you can find it out. NA is given 2 and B is given 4. So NA cross B is equal to NA cross NB. In set you will find this one. So it is 2 into 4, that is 8 items are there in A cross B. That is A cross B. Now the number of subsets of A cross B having 3 or more elements. So you have to choose either 3. Out of these you can choose 3 or more. 8C3, 8C4, 8C5. So you can similarly you can go up to 8C8. Now you don't have this series, but if you add with this one 8C0, 8C1 plus 8C2, then you have the formula. Because you are adding this one extra, so I will subtract this one because that is easy for me to calculate because it is only 3. So this portion will give you 2 to the power 8 minus, if you solve this one, it will give you 1, then 8, then minus 8 into 2 by 8 into 7 by 2, 28. It will be 219. That is your answer. That is your option C. Now if you come to question number 12, now this is a determinant matrix A1 1 1 2. However, you can fill these items from the set 0 1 2. So any item should be either 0 or 1 or 2. A11 equal to A22. So these two are equal. So whatever you put it, you should come here. Then the number of singular matrix, non-singular matrix. What is non-singular matrix? The determinant should not be equal to 0. Okay, now if you choose this one, because these two are same, now let me see how many matrix actually you can form. So whatever you will put, that will come here. So in how many ways you can fill here? 3. Whatever you have filled here, that will direct come here. So it has no option. Whatever you put it here, it will automatically come. So for here you need not to think. You think for any one, then automatically another one will fill. Because you can put 0 1 or 2 here. Here also you can put 0 1 2. Here also you can put 0 2. So total option is 3 into 3 into 3. 27. This is one event, this is one event, this is one event. This is not coming because whatever it is, it will come here. It has no other option to think. So total is 27 matrices are there. Now from here, how many determinants are 0? Because it is a small one, you can think. So all 0 cannot be possible because then determinant is 0. Okay. Similarly, all 1 cannot be possible. All cannot be same. So how many such will be there? 3 will be there. Because 0, 1, 2. So all cannot be 2 also. So 3 is gone automatically, so minus 3. Next, this side is 0, this side, because if you place 0 here, automatically it is 0. So you cannot put anything 0 here. Suppose if you put 0 here, if it is 1 also, then it is also 0. 0, 0, 0. If it is 2, then also it is 0. Similarly, you can think 0, 0, reverse. Now it is 0, this also can 0, 0, 0, 0. So these are the again 4. So all these 7s. So there are 20 non-singular because all these 7s 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that will give you determinant 0. Non-singular means determinant should not be 0. So take out these 7. So 20 is your answer. That is your option D. Now if you come to 13, 5-digit numbers are to be formed using 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition or repeating of the digits. See, P is the number of forms that can exceed 20,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 2 3 4. So if you want to exceed 20,000, so here you can put only number which is equal to 2 or more than 2. So all these numbers are here greater than 2. So you can put any number here now, because restriction normally comes here because it should be greater than 20,000. So you should put either 2 or more. You cannot put 1. 20,000 cannot start with anything with 1. So but 1 is not in the option. So you can put any 5. So it is 5. So here it will be 4, here it will be 3, here it will be 2, here it will be 1. So the first P is equal to 5 factorial. That is okay. Now Q, they are asking which lies between 3000 and 9000. So between 3000 and 9000. So this one cannot be now 2 and this one cannot be 9 also. So here you cannot put 2 because if you are putting 2 then it is below 3000. You cannot put 9 because if you put 9 then it is more than 9000. So these two you cannot put it here. So that means here what are the options you are left with? You are left with, you cannot put 9. So you can put either 3, 5, 7, or that means 3 options. And here anything has been gone, one number has been gone. So out of 4 you can put any number that is actually 4 factorial. There no restriction is there. So it is 3 into 4 factorial. So that is your Q. So now what they are asking, the ratio of P is to Q. So P by Q will be equal to 5 factorial divided by 3 into 4 factorial. So this one, if you cancel, it will be 5. So it is 5 by 3. That is your option D. Now if you come to question number 14, on the sides of AB, BC, CA of triangle ABC, 3, 4, 5 distinct points excluding the vertex are respectively chosen. The number of triangles that can be constructed using this chosen point as vertex are. So there are 3 sides of the triangle ABC. So from AB it is 3 different points. For BC it is 4 different points. From CA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different points are chosen. So you have to form triangle choosing these points. So total points for triangle formation you need 3 points. If you choose 1, 2 and 3 from here, then a triangle will be formed. So in how many ways you can choose these 3 out of this total 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 C3. But if you choose 3 from here, all 3 from here, then no triangle will be formed. So that has to be subtracted. Similarly, if you choose 3 from here, no triangle will be formed. Similarly, if you choose 3 from this one, no triangle will be formed. So that's why that has to be subtracted. So if you solve this one, I think you will get answer is 2 is not 5. That is your option B. Now next one, the 15. The number of ways in which examiner has to assign 30 marks in 8 questions, giving not less than 2 marks to any question. Okay, it has to distribute 30 marks in 8 questions. So in all question it has to give minimum 2 marks. So first you give 2 marks to everyone. So if you give 2 marks to every question, then 16 has to, because this has to be given 2 marks at least. So you give first 2 marks to all question. So it is 16. So out of now 30 you have to distribute now how many marks? 14 marks. So 14 marks has to be distributed into 8 questions. So you can think of this way, 14 marks, all marks are identical you think, and then you have to distribute in 8. So how many sticks you need? You need 7 sticks. So 7 sticks, 7 such sticks and 14 such balls has to be distributed. So what was the answer for this one? In how many ways you can do this distribution? 14 plus 7 C, or 14 plus 7 factorial divided by 14 factorial 7 factorial. That is actually nothing but 14 plus 7 is 21 C7, or you can write it 21 C14, whatever. So that is your option C. Okay, a committee of 4 persons is to be formed from 2 ladies, 2 old men, 4 young men, such that it includes at least 1 lady, at least 1 man, old man and at most 2 young men. The total number of ways in which the committee is formed. So for these questions being calls for cases, because you have to think case one by one, because at most they always call for case. So lady, old man and then young man. Suppose because at least 1 lady you have to choose, at least 1 old man you have to start. So total 4. So total has to be 4. So at most you can go 2. So 4. Okay, case 2, now you can increase the lady, but old you have to take at least 1. So 3 is gone. So young you can take 1, because at most there are maximum 2, minimum you can take whatever. So similarly now case 3 will automatically come now. You can choose 1 here, you can choose 2 here, and again you can choose 1. Similarly case 4 will come, because you can put 0 also. So 2 from here, 0, that will all. So these are the cases possible. So in first case it will be, so 2 ladies out of 1, so it is 2C1. So case 1, if you see, it is 2C1 into 1 old woman, that is from 2, so 2C1, and 4 from 4 you are choosing 2, 4 young, 4C2, plus second case it is 2C2 out of 2, 1, 2C1 out of 4, 1, 2C1, 2C2, 4C1, 2C2, 2C2, 4C0, 24 plus 16, no, it is 1, so 8, 8 plus 8, 1, 1, 1, so that is your 41. That is your option B. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.